G'day champions, been a little minute. Thought we'd talk very quickly about the lack of tradesmen in our industry. A lot of them are, the ones that are left, they're aging rapidly. Exhibit A right there, been in the industry for 100 years. But problem is not a lot of fresh blood coming in. Some people are doing something about it, some aren't. There's a mob called ACIA, Australian Collision Industry Alliance. We're proud supporters and we're actively helping with them, with their events and recruitment and whatnot. But if we don't have apprentices, then we're going to have tradesmen. If we don't have tradesmen, we're not going to have an industry. So we're going to go through and see how many apprentices we can find here. And if we can put a few in, I reckon everyone else can too. Because if you use them right, they can be very beneficial. Let me show you. Just been informed there's 7 here in total. One's at TAFE today, but there should be 6 here. Just see who we can find. Emergency interview. Age.
The lucky country isn't so lucky. So it's
Age, genius.
18.
Name. Favourite colour. Trade that you're training in now. Excellent. 10 out of 10. Another victim. Dwayne.
Victim of what?
Name.
Dwayne.
Age.
25.
You sure?
I think so.
Is that your final answer?
Yep.
Trade you're doing.
Apprenticeship.
Favourite colour?
Black.
Ooh, always bet on black. Mitch.
Yo.
Surprise interview. Name.
Mitchell.
Age.
21.
Favourite colour?
Ooh, purple.
What trade you doing?
Panel beater. Apprentice.
Good man. Alex, the first year, he does want to do it. He's a bit nervous. Bit starstruck. You don't want to be a Hollywood star. It's all right. Look surprised. Oh. Ready? And take 2. Name. Age.
22.
Favourite colour.
Black.
And what trade you doing?
Spray paint.
You like it? Sensational.
What am I doing?
Action. Name.
Owen.
Age.
22.
Favourite colour.
Purple.
Oh, interesting. And trade you're doing?
Spray painting.
You like it?
Yes, I love
Excellent answer. I love it too. Yes. So there you have it. Tons of young ones in there, not just keeping busy and learning, they're supporting all of the tradesmen that we got, all them old dogs, in both departments. But yeah, joining and supporting ACIA, it's going to be very important moving forward. I'll just show you how easy it is. Just jump on here. There's the website, theacia.com.au. Memberships is just up here. Give that a click, and then it's got all of the different levels of membership. You can just become an associate. It becomes nothing just to get involved with the group. It's also looking for corporate support and sponsorship. But yeah, whatever your budget is, if everyone jumps on board and everyone's looking, we can get some great young kids into the right shops and guarantee the future and well-being and sustainability of our beloved industry.